submultiple angles. Trigonometric formula for multiple angles and submultiple angles. So multiple angles. What is meant by multiple angles? Multiples, 2a, 3a, isn't it? Multiples means that much times, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Now look at here. What is the formula we have learned for sine of a plus b? What is sine of a plus b? Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Children, the proof is not needed. Proof is not needed. But just I explain it to you to understand how we are getting this formula. So what will be sine 2a? Sine 2a. What is meant by sine 2a? Sine 2 times a, multiple of a. What will be sine 2a? How will we be able to find the sine 2a? It is sine of a plus a. In the place of a also we have a. In the place of b also we have a. So what is the formula you will get? It is sine a cos a plus cos a sin a. Is it correct, children? Is it okay? In the place of b also we are substituting a. So it is, look at here, the same term is repeated. Sin a cos a, sin a cos a. So it is 2 sin a cos a. So what is sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a. Okay? So like this, we'll be deriving some formulas. We'll be deriving what is cos 2a, what is tan 2a, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. Okay, so now with this, the formula is not over. Listen, children, this is the first formula we are learning for sine. What is sine 2a? This is 2 sin a cos a. Don't write, for the time being you listen to me. You can write it afterwards because you have to understand what is the, okay, this is the basic formula. Sine 2a, multiple angle. Sine 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So what will be sine a? What will be sine a? Listen, children, very important. What will be sine a? Look at here. If it is 2a, we are writing half of that here. Isn't it? If it is 2a, we are writing 2 sin a cos a. So what will be sine a? Can you give the formula? What is sine a in terms of angle? Yes? If it is 2a, what you are writing here? 2 sin a cos a. So if it is sine a, can you guess the formula, Nandana?
Sin a cos a.
If it is 2a, if it is 2 times, here you are writing only half of it, isn't it? If it is 2a, we are writing a. Here it is a. Therefore, what will be in the formula you will write? 2 sine half the angle a by 2 cos a by 2. Is it clear? If it is sine 2a, you will write 2 sine a cos a. Okay, from there you are finding half angle. That means we call this as submultiple. From the multiple, okay, so this formula we call it as multiple angles, multiples of the angles. And this one we call it as submultiples. Submultiples we will derive from here just by dividing by 2. So what will be sine a? It is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. Okay. Similarly, we can find out cos 2a. What is the formula? What will be the formula you will get? What is cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b. What is the formula we have learned? What is cos of a plus a? What is cos of a plus b? Cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. So the formula is cos square A minus sin square A. Now listen children, don't write, I'll give time for copy. First you listen to it. So cos 2A is, the basic formula we'll be learning is cos square A minus sin square A. What is the basic formula here? Cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. From here, we can write cos 2A in terms of cos alone. Okay, when we do the problem, we can write cos 2A in terms of cos alone. That means this cos square A, keep it as such, minus the sin square A we can replace with 1 minus cos square A. So what you will get? It is cos square A minus 1 minus of minuses plus cos square A. So which is same as 2 cos square A minus 1. So cos 2A, what is the next formula we are deriving? It is 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A in terms of cos. What is cos 2A in terms of cos? Dia, what is cos 2A in terms of cos?
2 cos square A minus 1.
It is 2 cos square A minus 1. Similarly, this cos 2A we can find in terms of sine. What is the basic formula we are learning? Cos 2A is cos square A minus sine square A. So this cos square A we can replace it with 1 minus sine square A. 1 minus sine square A minus sine square A. So we will get 1 minus 2 sine square A. Therefore cos 2A is, for cos 2A we are having three formulas. The first formula is cos square A minus sine square A. In terms of cos is 2 cos squared A minus 1. In terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square A. So cos 2A we have three set of formula. Okay? Is it clear? So write down the formula from the beginning here. Okay, write down this sine 2A. Sine 2A, the first formula is 2 sine A cos A. Cos 2A, we have three formulas. Cos 2A, the general form is cos squared A minus sine squared A. Cos 2A in terms of causes, cos 2A in terms of causes, 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square A. 1 minus 2 sine square A. Is it okay, children? Okay? Now, if you are copied, copy the remaining cos 2A.
Ma'am,
Yes?
sine 2a has just one formula, right?
No, one more formula is there in terms of tan. We are going to learn, okay? Set by set we will be learning. Is it over? Now look at here. Tan 2A. What is tan 2A? What is tan of A plus B? First write the formula for tan of A plus B. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So what will be tan 2A? Tan 2A means it is same as tan of A plus A. So when you put A here, it will be tan A plus tan A by 1 minus tan A into tan A. So what is the formula you will get? It is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So what is tan 2A? 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. It is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Okay. So sine 2A, what is the formula we are learning here? Atul, what is sine 2A?
Sin A cos square A minus sin square A.
Sine 2A, sine 2A.
2 sin A cos A.
Sine 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Punya, what is cos 2A?
Cos square A minus sin square A.
Okay, good. Srihari, cos 2A in terms of cos.
2
Cos-
cos square A minus 1.
Okay. Gayatri, cos 2A in terms of sine.
1 minus sin 2 sin square A.
1 minus 2 sine squared A. Now listen. Okay. So, listen children. So I'll write. Okay. You take a separate form paper and write down all the formulas. Okay. Now listen. Sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. So one more formula is there. Okay. One more formula is there. Sine 2A, we have two formulas. Okay, in terms of tan. Okay, we can derive it. Okay, the formula is 2 sine A cos A. What we will do? We will divide the numerator and denominator by tan and we will derive the formula. Okay, tan is sine by cos. You will cancel it, simplify. On simplifying, what is the answer you will get is only the final answer we have to learn. Sine 2A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So what is sine 2A? It is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. What about cos 2A? So what are the formulas you have learned for cos 2A? Cos 2A, the first formula we have learned is cos square A minus sine square A. What is cos 2A? Cos square A minus sine square A. And what is the second formula we have learning here? In terms of cos's, 2 cos square A minus 1, which is same as 1 minus 2 sine square A. And cos 2A in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Look at here children. Sine is, we know that opposite by hypotenuse. Look at here. Okay, sine is opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos? Is it adjacent by hypotenuse? Now look at here. The denominator, is it same for sine 2A and cos 2A? Whether the denominator, is it same? Is it same? Is or no? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
So from these two, can you find out what will be tan 2A? What is tan 2A? Opposite by tan is, what you have learned about tan? Opposite by Achud.
Adjacent.
Adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Look at the opposite side here. It is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Look at the formula we derived earlier. Is it the same formula? Look at the formula we derived earlier. What about tan 2A? Is it the same? Okay, it is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan squared A. So, listen children, the formula we should be thorough. What is the first? Okay, sine 2A, we have two formulas. Okay, write the formula separately in a separate paper. Next year we need all these formulas. Sine 2A, two formulas are there. First one, sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. And what is the second formula? Okay, when you learn it, you have to mention this one. Okay, sine 2A, sine in terms of tan. Like that you have to mention like this and learn. Don't learn it at by heart. Sine 2A in terms of tan. What is sine 2A in terms of tan? Dear, what is sine 2A in
2
terms
tan
of
A by 1 plus tan square A.
2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, likewise, cos 2A. For cos 2A, what is the basic formula? Srihari, the general formula is cos 2A. Srihari.
Cos square A minus sin square.
Yes, it is cos square A minus sin squared A. Cos 2A in terms of cos. Nia. What is cos 2A in terms of cos? Nia. What is cos 2A in terms of cos? Okay, Gauri. Gauri. What is cos 2A in terms of cos?
2 cos square A minus 1.
Yes, it is 2 cos square A minus 1. Emmanuel, what is Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
What is cos 2A in terms of tan?
Yeah?
Cos 2A in terms of tan. Tan.
1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A.
1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A. Okay. Aryan, cos 2A in terms of sine.
1 minus 2 sine square A.
1 minus 2 sine squared A. And for tan, only one formula is there. It is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. It is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Children, I explained that derivate proof, but it is not needed. But you should understand how we are getting the formulas and all. Okay, so this formulas we call it as multiples. Okay, trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. What is sine 2A? Okay, we have learned what is sine A. What is the definition we have learned for sine? Gayatri, what is the definition of sine? Sine is defined as
Opposite by hypotenuse.
opposite by adjacent. So now we are learning for multiple angles. What is sine 2A? What is sine 2A? 2 sine A cos A. Isn't it? 2 sine A cos A. So using this, we will be able to find out the trigonometric ratios of some angles. So this is for multiple of 2A. The next set we are going to learn is 3A. Okay, multiple angles of 3A. Now this set now we have learned is for multiples of 2A. Okay, now next set, write on. Write the next one, sine 3A. Sine 3A. Okay, for the first one I will give the proof. The next one and all you can derive the proof. What is sine 3A? Sine 3A, how we can write? Sine 2A, how we wrote? How we wrote sine 2A? How we wrote sine 2A?
A plus A.
Sine of A plus A. We splitted this as A plus A, isn't it? The same way, sine 3A, how we will split? How we can split? 3A. We know what is 2A and what is A, isn't it? So we can
A
split
plus
3.
2A.
Yes. Huh? Can you repeat?
3A can be split as A plus 2A.
A plus 2A or 2A plus A. Both are same. Okay. You can split this 3A as 2A plus A. So in the place sine of A plus B. So in the place of A we have 2A. In the place of B we have B. Now use the identity. What is sine of A plus B? What is sine of A plus B? Rijas. What is sine of A plus B? Rijas?
Sin A cos B
Hmm.
plus
Yes.
sin B cos A.
It is sine B cos A. Now listen, look at your children. Here we have sine A. In the place of A, look at here, in the place of A we have 2A. Sine 2A cos A plus sine A cos 2A. Okay, we are using the identity. We are using the identity. Sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So sine 3A, we can write this as sine of 2A cos A plus sine A cos 2A. Now, what is sine 2A? Now we have derived the formula. Multiple angle. Now we have the formula. Substitute it. What is sine 2A? What is sine 2A? What is the formula we have learned? In terms of sine and cos.
2 sin A cos A.
Yes, it is 2 sine A cos A into cos A plus sine A into what is cos 2A? What is cos 2A in terms of sine? What is cos 2A in terms of sine?
1 minus 2 sin square A.
1 minus 2 sine square A. So, okay, sine formula we will write in terms of sine. Sine 3A we will be writing in terms of sine. That's why we are using the formula cos 2A. Although there are 3 formulas, we are using the formula in terms of sine. Now this is same as 2 sine A. What is cos A into cos A? It is cos square A plus, open the bracket, it is sine A minus 2 sine cube A. So this is same as 2 sine A into cos square A. We can write this as 1 minus sine square A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Now open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you will get 2 sine A minus 2 sine cube A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Now group the terms and tell me what will be the formula. What is sine 3A? Group the like terms with 2 sine A. Now one more sine A is there, isn't it? So
3 sin A
3 sine A.
minus 4 sin cube A.
Very good. Minus 4 sine cube A. Children, this year the derivation, the proof is deleted, but I gave this. Just you should understand how we are getting this formula. So this formula we have to learn by heart. What is sine 3A? 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Look at here, 3 times A. But here we are writing only A as an angle. Argument here, okay, here if it is 3 times, here we are writing A. So sine 3A is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Sine 3A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Michael, what is sine 3A? Michael.
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
Okay, 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Is it clear, children? Is the proof okay? Okay. Similarly, we can derive the formula for cos 3A and tan 3A. Okay, we can derive the formula for cos 3A and tan 3A. For cos, the formula is cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Look at here, cos 3A. So cos 3 of cos 3a contains only cos terms. Sin 3a contains only sin terms. Okay, sin 3a, it is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. And what is cos 3a? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, so it will be tan 3a. The next formula is tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. By 1 minus 3 tan square a. So these are the multiple angles. Okay, formula 3a, multiples of a. The angles are multiples. So sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. What is cos 3a? Cos 3a is, Gayatri, what is cos 3a?
4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a.
Dia, what is tan 3a?
3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a.
3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, so once again recall the formulas. What all the formulas? Okay, write down all the formulas in a separate paper. Make a formula booklet. From the beginning I'm saying you make a formula booklet. Next year we need all these formulas. Once again recall all the formulas. First set we learned is sum and differences, isn't it? Sum and differences. Once again, Nandana, what is sign of a plus b? Nandana, I think she left. Okay. Atul, what is sign of a plus b?
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Okay. Dia, sign of a minus b?
Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b.
Very good. Aryan, cos of a plus b?
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Okay. Gayatri, tan of a plus b? I'm not able to hear. Muted. Just muted. Tan of a plus b?
Tan a tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. I mean tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Okay, slowly. Okay, this is enough. Emmanuel, tan of a minus b?
Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B.
Okay, cot of a plus b and all we use very rare. That's what I'm not asking cot. Okay, we use only this three: sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b. Okay, now what is sin 2a? Achud, give the two formulas you are learning for sine. Sin 2a.
2 sin A cos A.
In terms of tan?
Then 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A.
2 tan a by 1 plus tan
1 plus
squared a.
tan square A.
Now read cos 2a.
Cos square a minus sin square a.
Okay. In terms of cos?
2 cos square a minus 1.
Very good. In terms of sine?
1 minus 2 sin square a.
In terms of tan?
1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a.
Okay. Rijas. Rijas, what is sin 3a?
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
Gauri, cos 3a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. Srihari, tan 3a.
3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square.
Okay, children, the formulas are not over. Few more formulas we'll be learning that we can learn tomorrow. Now, Let us solve problems based on these formulas. So the next class, that is in the tomorrow's class, you have to learn all these formulas. You have to learn all the formulas from the beginning and be ready to answer the formulas. Okay, write the question. Write that. Okay, take your textbook. Hope you are having your textbooks with you. Yesterday we did up to exercise 3.3. Up to 10th question it is over, isn't it? In exercise 3.3. Up to 10th question, is it over? Up to 10th question, is it over? Are you having the textbook, children? Isn't it, Atul? Whether the first 10 problems over in that exercise?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we can start from the 23rd question, multiple angles formula. Look at the question there. Okay. Once a problem is given, you should identify which formula. Okay. Look at that, tan 4x. And okay, all these questions are prove that. Prove that questions. Look at the LHS, we have tan 4x. But look at in RHS, no multiple, isn't it? Everything is in terms of tan. 4 tan x, 1 minus tan squared x by 1 minus 6 tan square x into tan raised to 4x. We are removing all the multiple angles. Same way the next question also, cos 4x. We have multiple of angle there in LHS. Okay, problem number 23, 24, 25. These three questions, not only these three questions, all the questions from 11th question are very important. All the questions from the 11th one are very important. Okay. But this 23, 24, 25, these three questions are based on this multiple angles formula. Cos 4x is 1 minus 8 sine square x cos squared x. Multiple angle, we are using this formula and we are simplifying. Look at the next one, cos 6x is 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x. Before we do this problem, what you have to do is, what is, give the expansion of a plus b the whole cube. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole cube? Yes. Those who know the formula, give the formula. What is a plus b the whole cube?
A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B.
Very good. Okay. So if we start with these questions, we'll not be able to complete now. So I think now
Could you
time.
repeat the question?
See what is, okay, just I'm giving the questions from the textbook. Yesterday we solved up to question number 10. Okay. And what I said is from the 11th question onwards in your textbook, that exercise 3.3, all the questions are very important. We are not yet started applying that formulas. Okay. That formula we are not applying it because 1 more minute only we have. Now the time is over, isn't it? The period ends now. So I'm not going to start. Try to solve these three questions using this multiple angles. Try to solve. We'll be discussing it in the next class. Yes,
Those
Achut.
last three questions.
23, 24, 25.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 23, 24, 25. Learn the formulas. Okay. Be ready to answer the formulas. And one thing I want to say.